Hey, what's up everybody? Steve is here. Thanks again for watching and welcome to my new subscribers. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to bring you cryptocurrency news in an entertainment kind of way, so it's easy for you to digest. Well, what a week it has been so far, including the weekend, guys. So last week, the news came out that the hard fork was not going to happen, and as indicated in my last video, as you could see, I already had a feeling that it was not going to happen, huh? And I have my rationales for that, but I'm not gonna deep dive into that today. So, what happened afterwards? Bitcoin went to an all-time high, but then some whales moved over, and I will not mention their names because it's all speculation. Some whales moved over some money to Bitcoin Cash to pump it up, and in the meanwhile the mining community also allocated mining power to Bitcoin Cash, because then from a mining perspective the rewards then in terms of Bitcoin Cash are more profitable, which also had the immediate effect on Bitcoin, because what happens if a certain percentage is moved over from one chain to another, the other chains get weaker in terms of percentage and hash power, mean that it will take longer to create or find a block. Thus, transactions will take longer, but also the Bitcoin network had been attacked, which causes that the blocks were getting full, and which leads to higher transactions, as you have noticed. But in the meanwhile, also new money is coming in, huh? The cryptocurrency market cap in total at the moment is around 215 billion. At least it was when I stepped into the car, around 3:15 p.m. CEST. So all this new money, new people getting in, because I also see it at work. People that now are FOMOing in, fear of missing out, and some friends are getting in now at 5,000-6,000 euros. I have been preaching about it already very early. Nevertheless, their experience now is like, why it's taking so long? The Bitcoin transactions. Well, this is the reason, guys. But now, moving forward, my thoughts. Short term, I think Bitcoin is going to be very bullish, to be honest, because as indicated earlier, the CME, the largest derivative exchange in the world, is going to add Bitcoin futures, and they have actually announced that it's going to happen by the second week of December. So I expect a lot of price action there, and it's not that those institutional investors are into the whole hard fork discussion, the whole Bitcoin Cash block size discussion. For them it's just, we want to have Bitcoin Cash, what is that? You know, and that's what I always try to say. The whole brand perception and all that is based on the brand Bitcoin and not on anything else. So, short term, I would say Bitcoin is going to be very bullish. I am very bullish. And you know what I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a hobby investor. Don't take anything I say for granted. Do your own research and make your own decisions. But an interesting thing that I have also read today is that the main groups, let's say one of the largest hedge funds in the UK, who manage around 100 billion in assets, is going to observe what is going to happen whenever the CME futures are going to be listed and are going to be available for trading. So imagine at this one hedge fund already with 100 billion coming in and will allocate a little bit of their capital into Bitcoin, and then we are just only talking about one hedge fund. I don't know. I'm not that smart, so yeah. Then the other last thing that I wanted to mention today is that if you have the chance to sell your Bitcoin in Zimbabwe, do it. Because the price in Zimbabwe for Bitcoin at the moment is $13,500 US, guys. Yeah, the coup is being played at the moment, so that's the bad news. But I would say sell your Bitcoins in Zimbabwe. So that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.